STG Repairs has served our customers since 2008 in Miami. STG Repairs team fixes almost all smartphones, tablets, and computers on the market. It also specializes in board-level repairs. Troubleshoot board-level problems. No touchscreen function, no backlight, no power. Replace knocked-off SMD components on any board. Problems with water and other liquid damage, and charging problems. We also do factory unlock, software errors, data transfer, and recovery. We have a very solid reputation in the repair community. Our clients can count on our experience. Our goal is reliable service and competitive prices.
Hello, today we are going to replace the FPC connector for iPhone 6. FPC LCD connector for iPhone 6. Hoy vamos a cambiar el conector del LCD de un iPhone 6. Ok, vamos a mostrarles ahora para que vean cómo está lastimado. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay. There you can see, pues, como pueden ver, así es como luce. Vamos a usar el preheater. I'm going to use the preheater. So I set up the preheater to 150. Puse el preheater en 150. Esto es una reparación bastante sencilla. Vamos a encender el absorbente de humo. Just turn on the smoke absorber. So let's wait until we feel it's a little bit hot. Okay. I will recommend you to remove the coating. Les recomiendo que remuevan el coating. Remove the coating that is around the area you are going to work. Otherwise, you may have issues in the future. Okay, so it's better to remove the coating to avoid any complication. You can see there. Okay. You don't have to remove everything, but at least remove some coating. This is going to prevent you to have problems in the future. Okay. Just do it on the area you are going to work. Solo hágalo en el área que usted va a trabajar. Como les digo, no es necesario. O sea, no es que tenga que hacerlo, pero se los recomiendo porque se pueden evitar bastantes problemas. Yo siempre lo hago, siempre que voy a trabajar en un área donde hay algún componente que tenga coating, siempre lo remuevo. I always do it. It's not necessary to do it. Okay, it's not like you have to do it. No, it's optional. But if you do it, you are going to save time, because sometimes the heat goes through the coating and desolder the components. So you will have to solder all the components that are desoldered after you put heat. That's it. This is what we need here. As you can see, it's not removing everything, just the area that I'm going to work. And it doesn't have to be 100%. Como ven, solo remuevo el área donde voy a trabajar. y tampoco tiene que ser 100%. Okay, so now we are going to remove the FPC connector. Vamos a remover el conector FPC. Tenemos el preheater. Okay, we have the preheater. Going to apply flux. Apply flux. Now we are going to remove the FPC connector. I know for some reason I have issues. I don't see well to that. Let me see. Oh, let me see if we have. Oh. Right there. Okay. Perfect. So now we're going to remove the FPC. Vamos a remover el FPC. I haven't been able to make more videos because I've been busy preparing the training we are going to do with Federico Cerva. No he podido hacer más videos porque aunque tengo bastante trabajo para hacer videos, no me estoy preparando para el training que vamos a hacer con Federico y siempre los videos toman su tiempo. Okay. We've been preparing the material with Federico and we both has a lot of work. So for me it's very difficult to do videos because videos takes time. Okay. We remove the old one, the bad one. You can see here. Okay. Sometimes you have to retouch it. In this case, I don't think we're gonna have to retouch again. Algunas veces usted tiene que volver a poner soldadura, pero si lo hace bien y lo quita sin moverlo, generalmente no hace falta. Okay. Lo ponemos en el lugar correcto. You just want to put it in the correct place. They are in the, see if they are in the right place there. Yes, right there. So now we're just going to resolder the new one. We're going to add flux on top. Vamos a añadir flux arriba. El flux, aparte de ayudarnos a resoldar, nos ayuda a que no se queme el FPC. Okay? The flux is going to help you to dissolve the solder and also is going to help you not to burn the FPC, the new FPC connector. Okay. So you can see, melt, and we are good to go. We turn off the preheater, apagamos el preheater. And we are going to check the connector. I don't know if you can see there. Let me see. Yeah. Some more lights. Okay, this is solder perfect. We don't have to do anything else. Let me see if you can see there. Let me see if I put more light. Let me see. You can see there. Okay, it's perfect. We don't have to do anything else. Okay, se soldó perfectamente. Como vieron, no lo toqué. No tuve que volver a resoldar ningún pin. Vamos a chequear el otro lado. Y por este lado sí creo que le va a hacer falta tocar. Vamos a ver. Sí, por este lado no se soldó, por el otro sí. Aquí tenemos dos opciones. Here we have two options. Okay, in this side it doesn't solder, in the other side it solder well. So we can put more heat, just move it a little bit so it fell to the correct place, or we just touch one by one. First, we are going to just move it a little bit. If that doesn't work, we are going to touch the pins one by one. Just wait until it's melted. When it's melted, you move it a little bit. Okay, I think that's going to be enough. Now we're going to see. If not, we're gonna have to touch it one by one. Let me see. Let's check again. Okay, perfect. Now we have successfully soldered every pin. You can see it's not moving. Excellent. Okay, set. Is being repaired. Perfect. Excellent. You see, so that's what was needing, just to touch a little bit the FPC when was melted correctly. So we have successfully replaced the FPC connector for iPhone 6. FPC LCD connector. It's super easy, it's not difficult. You can use this technique to any other FPC. The only thing I always recommend you is to remove the coating around the area you are going to work. Okay, we are going to have trainings, so if anyone is interested in trainings, Federico Cerva and myself, we are going to be teaching trainings. They're going to be bilingual. Federico speaks English very well and speaks Spanish very well too. Okay, anybody interested, we have our link. We have a website, but you can go to my Instagram and you will see the link on my biography. Same thing with Federico Cerva. If you are interested, you can go to his Instagram and look for the link that is going to transfer you to the website where we have all information. Estamos a partir de este mes empezamos a entrenar, vamos a empezar a entrenar Federico Cerva y su servidor por STG Repairs. Vamos a hacer esto, ya tenemos planificado ahora y lo vamos a hacer también próximamente, que ya lo anunciamos. Si usted desea alguna información en el training, visite el Instagram mío, que es stgrepairs.com, y también va a encontrar ahí en mi biografía el link que lo va a dirigir al website. ¿Okay? También puede ir a Federico Cerva, él también tiene el link, y clique en ese link. Lo va a transferir al website donde tenemos la información. Los trainings son en inglés y español. Federico Cerva habla inglés perfectamente y yo hablo español. ¿Ok? Son los que estén interesados, que hablen inglés o español, pueden asistir a nuestros trainings. ¿Ok? Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy our videos. Thank you.